Are you tired of chugging down energy drinks filled with sugar, artificial ingredients, and caffeine that give you jitters? What if I told you there's a natural way to boost your energy levels, strengthen your immunity, and improve your overall health with just 3 simple ingredients? Yes, you heard me right. In today's video, I'll reveal the world's strongest natural energizing drink made with coffee, orange, and garlic honey. This powerful trio will supercharge your body and mind, helping you tackle any challenge that comes your way. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secret to unlocking your full potential with this ultimate energy booster. Don't forget to stay tuned for more health and wellness tips. And with that said, let's dive into the world's strongest energy drink. To make this energizing drink, you will need 1 cup of black coffee, the juice of 1 fresh orange, and 1 tablespoon of garlic honey. Let us start by exploring the incredible benefits of each ingredient, and then we'll show you how to combine them into a delicious and nutritious drink. First up, we have coffee. This beloved beverage is more than just a morning pick-me-up. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. The caffeine in coffee enhances focus and alertness by stimulating the central nervous system. It also has a high amount of antioxidants, which are substances that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Coffee's antioxidant properties help fight inflammation, reduce the risk of certain diseases, and promote overall well-being. Additionally, coffee can boost your metabolism, increase fat burning, and improve physical performance. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, coffee is a fantastic addition to our energy drink. Next, let's talk about the mighty orange. This vibrant citrus fruit is not only visually appealing, but also packed with essential nutrients. Oranges are particularly high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system and helps fight off infections. This makes oranges an excellent choice for those looking to support their immune health. But that's not all. Oranges also contain natural electrolytes, such as potassium and magnesium. These electrolytes play a crucial role in maintaining proper hydration and preventing muscle cramps. Oranges also help detoxify the liver, aid digestion, and promote gut health. Their high fiber content helps regulate bowel movements and prevents constipation. Overall, oranges are a refreshing and nutritious addition to our energizing drink. Now let's explore the unique benefits of garlic honey. This aromatic sweetener is a powerhouse of flavor and health benefits. Garlic honey is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a natural antibiotic. It's particularly effective against sore throats and coughs, providing relief from common ailments. The raw garlic used in garlic honey contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to have powerful antimicrobial properties. Allicin is responsible for the pungent smell and taste of garlic, and it plays a key role in boosting the immune system. The honey in garlic honey not only adds a sweet and soothing taste, but also has its own set of health benefits. It acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen mucus and phlegm and soothe irritated throats. Honey also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that support overall health. By combining garlic and honey, we create a truly unique and beneficial ingredient that can supercharge our energizing drink. Now that we've covered the benefits of each individual ingredient, let's see how they come together to create the world's strongest energy drink. When combined, coffee, orange, and garlic honey create a powerful synergy of flavors and nutrients. The caffeine from coffee provides an instant energy boost, while the antioxidants in both coffee and oranges help fight inflammation and support heart health. Oranges bring natural electrolytes and vitamin C to the mix, which helps boost the immune system and maintain hydration. Meanwhile, garlic honey's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties add an extra layer of health benefits. This unique combination not only tastes delicious, but also offers a range of advantages that can keep you feeling energized and healthy. It's important to note that unlike many commercial energy drinks that are loaded with sugar, artificial ingredients, and excessive caffeine, this natural energy drink is a healthier alternative. It's free from artificial additives and provides a more sustained energy boost without the crash that often follows sugary beverages. By choosing natural ingredients, you can enjoy the benefits of increased energy, improved focus, and enhanced immunity without compromising your health. Now that we've discussed the benefits, let's learn how to make this energizing drink. It's incredibly simple and can be prepared in just a few minutes. First, start by brewing a cup of black coffee. Allow it to cool for a couple of minutes before proceeding. Next, squeeze the juice of one fresh orange into the cooled coffee. This can be done using a juicer or by hand. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of garlic honey. If you don't have pre-made garlic honey, you can use half a teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Simply mix them together until well combined. Finally, give the drink a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed and ready to enjoy. While the drink can be enjoyed hot or cold, it's particularly refreshing when served chilled. For an extra boost, you can add ice cubes to your liking. The ideal time to drink this energizing concoction is in the morning. It can help kickstart your day with a surge of energy, helping you tackle your daily tasks with vigor. However, if you find yourself feeling sluggish or drained during the afternoon, it can also be an excellent pick-me-up. Just a few sips can revitalize your energy levels and help you power through the rest of your day. The beauty of this energizing drink lies in its versatility. You can adjust the ingredients to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. For those who prefer a sweeter drink, you can increase the amount of garlic honey or add a dash of stevia, a natural sweetener. If you're looking to add more vitamins and minerals, consider squeezing in some lemon juice or adding a pinch of sea salt. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to customize the drink to your liking. If you want to further enhance the nutritional profile of your energizing drink, there are some additional ingredients you can incorporate. For a boost of protein, you can add a scoop of Greek yogurt or a spoonful of nut butter. These ingredients can help curb appetite, support muscle growth, and provide a sense of fullness. Additionally, incorporating leafy greens such as spinach or kale can provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These greens are rich in chlorophyll, which can help detoxify the body and improve digestion. Make the drink even more nutritious. You can blend everything together for a refreshing smoothie. With these added ingredients, you can create a well-balanced and nutrient-dense beverage that fuels your body with the essentials for optimal health and vitality. The world's strongest energy drink made with coffee. Orange and garlic honey is a game-changer for those seeking a natural and nutritious way to boost their energy levels. Unlike traditional energy drinks loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients, this elixir provides a healthier alternative packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants. The combination of coffee, orange, and garlic honey not only invigorates the body, but also strengthens the immune system and promotes overall well-being. The energizing drink is incredibly easy to make, requiring just a few simple ingredients and a few minutes of preparation. Its versatility allows for customization based on individual preferences, making it a perfect choice for those with dietary restrictions or allergies. Whether consumed in the morning or as an afternoon pick-me-up, this drink can help you power through your day with vitality and focus. I highly recommend giving this recipe a try and experiencing the difference it can make in your energy levels and overall health. Thank you for watching and staying tuned for more health and wellness tips. Stay energized and embrace a healthier lifestyle.